Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Izzahan Najmi bin Abdul Alim. My metric number AA2107 to 8. Today I want to present my project microcontroller about introduction. Introduction is to show the component we use for this project. First component is step motor. Step motor is an electromechanical device that converts digital pulse into mechanical movements. It is commonly used in a wide range of applications due to their precise control and high torque at low speed. It is output device. Other than that, second component is ultrasonic sensor. It is a device that uses high frequency sound waves to measure distance, speed, or position. It sends out an ultrasonic wave which bounces off an object and returns to the sensor. This component is output device. Okay, for the third component is buzzer. It is an audio signaling device. It can be used for a variety of purposes. It is a device that produces an audible sound, often buzzing noise. A buzzer or beeper is an audio signaling device which may be mechanical, electromechanical, or piezoelectric. Typical uses of buzzers and beepers include alarm device, timers, train, and confirmation of user input such as mouse click or keystroke. It is output device. Okay, for the last component is no-MCU ESP8266. It an open source microcontroller board based on the ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip. The board is designed to make it easy to connect and control a variety of devices over the internet. Using the Lua programming language, it is widely used in Internet of Things IoT projects, home automation, and other applications that require Wi-Fi connectivity. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Sharif Aibul Maksidi and my numeric is AA212584. Today I want to present the block diagram of my group. For the first block diagram for control buzzer, the output is a blink and the input is a buzzer. And the non-MCU ESP8266 is the connector. Okay, for the second diagram, block diagram controls stepper motor. For the input is ultrasonic sensor and the output is blink and step motor. The same as first block diagram, no MCU ESP8266 as a connector. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amjad bin Rozlan. My metric number is AA212348. Okay, I want to present with you about schematic diagram for this group. First, the ultrasonic sensor, which typically include a transmitter and receiver, and a receiver would be connected to a microcontroller, which is we use not MCU for this project to send and receive signals. The trigger pin we connect to the D7 and echo pin we connect to D8 because we must connect to the digital input on the microcontroller, and the VCC and GND pin will be connected to a power source. The buzzer would be connected to a digital output pin on the microcontroller so that we connect the buzzer pin to D3 and the negative terminal we connect to the ground. Lastly, we connect the stepper motor to a stepper motor driver, which is connected to the microcontroller to control the rotation of the stepper motor. The stepper motor driver will receive control signal from the microcontroller. The power source would be connected to the stepper motor driver to power the motor. As we can see, we connect the power supply to the stepper motor driver. After that, we connect the control pin of the stepper motor driver to digital output pin of the microcontroller, which is IN1 to D1, IN2 to D2, IN3 to D5, and last IN4 to D6. Lastly, we connect the ground of the power supply and the microcontroller to the ground of the stepper motor driver. I think that's all for me. I pass this presentation to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Syarifai Muhammad Siddiq, and good morning. Today I want to present the project prototype. My name of my project prototype is the automatic bed feeder. The connections same as the circuit diagram, and the function of this project is the buzzer we on, and the pad is come, and then the ultrasonic sensor we detected the movement of object, which is 30 centimeter, and the step motor we on.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Ali Shukri bin Muhammad Halimi. My numeric is AA211224. I will discuss about IoT dashboard in our project, which is we do the automatic bed feeder. We use buzzer and stepper control. So at the blink dashboard, we can see the chart which is show the function of stepper control when buzzer is turned off.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Adli Hakimi bin Mazin, numeric AA212045. So I will explain to you the demonstration of sensor and graphical data. So how the graph on our project work. So when the distance of the object is measured by the ultrasonic sensor and sent to the Blink app via the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, the Blink app receives this data and assign it to virtual pin V0. The graph widget in the Blink app is also assigned to virtual pin V0, which means that it will display the data received on this pin. The y-axis of the graph represents the distance of the object, and the x-axis represents the time. As new distance data is received by the Blink app, it is plotted on the graph. The graph updates in real time, so the user can observe change in the distance over time. The user can also customize the y-axis range to show the range of distance that the ultrasonic sensor can measure. In this case, the distance of the object is less than 13 cm, and the graph will show this distance. If the distance is greater than 30 cm, the stepper motor will not rotate, and the distance will not be plotted on the graph. In summary, the graph in this code used to display the distance of the object measured by the ultrasonic sensor over time. The Blink app receives this data and update the graph in real time, allowing the user observe change in the distance and identify if the distance is greater or less than 30 cm. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. My name is Muhammad Adli Hakimi bin Mahazi, nombor metrik AA212045. So I will do the simulation for our group project which is automatic pack feeder. So I will do a simulation for our group project which is automatic pack feeder. As you can see, our project use components such as ultrasonic, step motor and buzzer. Ultrasonic and step motor as input and buzzer as output. So I will tell you the detail of how my project work. First, our project work when it's time for my pet to eat. It will turn on buzzer control from the phone. So when the buzzer on, your pet come to that place and the ultrasonic will detect an object with distance of less than 13 cm. So from that the step motor will move until the object is gone.
And for the advantage of IoT application, firstly, we can increase the efficiency in our circuit and in our system. And for the cost savings, it's cheap than we do the project without IoT applications. And for the third is improve safety. And four is predictive maintenance. And the last but not least is smart city. That's all from me. Thank you.